Harap na.
Harap ulit. Harap ulo.
One more. That pagkaliwanag ng sagad, asa harap na yung
Harap ka na. With that slide.
here. Here. Nice.
Perfect. Ganun mean.
Try natin isa pa, pero yung movement naman ng kamay open.
And
Close
very
muna.
very core.
Ito yung mga ano.
I will
Here. Try nga natin na sabay na din yung kamay. Here, kamay kasabay na. And one more. Mas mabilis pa doon. Harap, kamay, here. One more. Last. Ready? Chin up. Aura, face. Chin down. Ano lang tayo, mga whole body na movement lang. And here.